Let's talk how to mint on Binance NFT Marketplace. The Binance NFT Marketplace is a platform that allows you to create and trade non-fungible tokens, bringing together artists, creators, crypto enthusiasts to leverage on the Binance existing community and ecosystem, which I can tell you is extremely active and huge. Before you can start trading NFTs on Binance NFT Marketplace, you will need to open a Binance account. If you already have an account for trading crypto, then there's no need to open a new one. You also need some cryptocurrency if you want to create or purchase your NFTs. Next up, you have to select what digital assets you want to use, whether it's a picture, a video, or an audio. After that, you have to add up some relevant information, which will include your collection type. Either you want it as a single NFT, that's BEP721, or a series, BEP1155. Then your description in words, and then the gas fee you'll be asked to pay. You can then upload the file and Binance will create your NFT. Note that each NFT will have a minting fee of 0.00001 BNB for creations on Binance Smart Chain. And when you sell or buy an NFT, a platform service fee of 1% will be incurred. The collections page under NFT assets is where you will find all the NFTs you currently own. These can be the ones you have bought or made yourself. Once the NFT is minted, it exists on the blockchain forever. But you can delete your NFT and mint a new one for the same file. There you go. You have successfully learned how to mint your NFT on Binance NFT Marketplace. Don't forget to give me a 2% commission. Think NFTs.
Anathon, redefining learning.